Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of marketing and share valuable insights to help you level up your social media game. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 proven strategies for effective social media marketing. Social media has become an integral part of our lives, and mastering these strategies can greatly impact the success of your brand. So, let's get started. Strategy number 1: creating engaging content. Engaging content is the backbone of any successful social media marketing campaign. To create content that captures your audience's attention, it's important to understand their interests, pain points, and desires. Conduct thorough research, listen to your audience, and tailor your content to provide value and spark meaningful conversations. Whether it's through captivating visuals, informative videos, or thought-provoking captions, make sure your content stands out from the crowd and encourages interaction. Strategy number 2: leveraging influencers. Influencer marketing has revolutionized the way brands connect with their target audience. Partnering with relevant influencers who align with your brand values can significantly amplify your reach and credibility. When collaborating with influencers, ensure that their audience matches your target demographic. Authenticity is key here, so encourage influencers to create content that reflects their genuine experience with your brand. Their testimonials and recommendations will help build trust and attract new customers. Strategy number 3: utilizing paid advertising. While organic reach on social media can be limited, utilizing paid advertising opens up a world of opportunities. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn provide powerful ad targeting options that allow you to reach your ideal audience. Invest time in crafting compelling ad copies and visuals that resonate with your target market. Experiment with different ad formats, such as videos, carousel ads, and sponsored posts, to see what works best for your brand. Monitor your ad campaigns closely and make data-driven optimizations to maximize your return on investment. Strategy number 4: optimizing profiles for better visibility. Your social media profiles serve as the digital face of your brand. Optimizing them can significantly boost your visibility and attract more followers. Start by using high-quality visuals, consistent branding, and compelling bio descriptions. Incorporate relevant keywords in your profiles and utilize hashtags strategically to increase discoverability. Regularly update your profiles with fresh content and engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. By creating a cohesive and engaging profile, you'll make a strong impression on potential customers. Strategy number 5: building a community. Social media platforms are not just about broadcasting your message. They provide an opportunity to build a community around your brand. Foster meaningful connections with your audience by actively engaging with them. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage user-generated content. Create a sense of belonging and make your audience feel valued. By nurturing a vibrant community, you'll have advocates who will support and promote your brand organically. Strategy number 6: monitoring analytics and insights. To make informed decisions and refine your social media marketing strategy, it's crucial to monitor analytics and insights. Platforms provide valuable data on reach, engagement, demographics, and more. Analyze this data regularly to identify trends, measure the success of your campaigns, and adjust your approach accordingly. Look for patterns, such as the most effective content formats and the best times to post. Data-driven optimization is key to continuously improving your social media performance. Strategy number 7: embracing video content. Video content is on the rise and has proven to be incredibly engaging on social media platforms. Embrace the power of video by creating captivating and informative content. Consider live streaming, behind-the-scenes footage, tutorials, or storytelling through video. Utilize features like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube to reach a broader audience. Video content can grab attention quickly and leave a lasting impression on your viewers. Strategy number 8: encouraging user-generated content. User-generated content is a powerful asset for your social media marketing. Encourage your audience to create content related to your brand and share it with their networks. This can be in the form of testimonials, reviews, or creative posts featuring your products or services. User-generated content adds authenticity and social proof to your brand, making it more relatable and trustworthy. Strategy number 9: collaborating with other brands. Partnering with complementary brands can expand your reach and expose your brand to a new audience. Look for brands that share similar values or target a similar demographic. Collaborate on campaigns, giveaways, or content creation. By joining forces, you can leverage each other's audience and create mutually beneficial relationships that drive brand awareness and engagement. Strategy number 10, embracing social listening. Social listening involves monitoring online conversations to understand what people are saying about your brand, industry, or competitors. By using social listening tools, you can gather valuable insights, identify trends, and respond to customer feedback promptly. Actively engaging in conversations, resolving issues, and showing appreciation for positive feedback demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. And there you have it, our 10 proven strategies for effective social media marketing. Implementing these tactics will help you build a strong social media presence and drive meaningful results for your brand. Remember, it's all about creating engaging content, leveraging influencers, utilizing paid advertising, optimizing your profiles, building a community, monitoring analytics, embracing video content, encouraging user-generated content, collaborating with other brands, and embracing social listening. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know your thoughts and experiences with social media marketing. Until next time, happy marketing!